Here's the filament dryer that I just received. The company does ask you to film the opening just to make sure if anything's broken, so you know you can prove that it's them and not you. So why not? Box doesn't seem damaged at all. Deal what this is. Oh, this is the attachment to extend it. It's the extender part, but there's no description on it. Okay. Okay, that's it. Nothing else in the box. Here you go. Eibos. I hope I'm saying that right. Nice. The design and box. US version. Open it. Okay, some instruction manual. Styrofoam. Here's a replacement little motor. Mix of screws, grommets. Okay. AC 120. Polyphemus. Probably messing up all those rules. First acrylic side. So for other acrylics, from what I'm seeing, they're very well protected. Still have the protective cover on them. Okay. Grain. And we'll have to take the covers off just to make sure nothing's scratched or broken. But looks good. Let's take this out. Okay. Nice metal screw holders soldered into the plastic. Four of these. Stayed on it. Okay. Let's put these in. Okay, I'm just doing a cursory check on it just to make sure that nothing is broken before I build it. Okay. What is in the box? That's it. Nothing else in the box. Okay. Take this out of the way. This is the attachment if you decide to raise it up. So you can install one of the big rows, big filaments on it. And I received this because I did order this as a pre-order. And they were giving this part free along with the pre-order. I believe it's like 20-30 bucks by itself. Okay. So this I won't be using yet. I have no need for it. But it's good to know I have it there if and when I need it. Four screws and a little Allen Phillips. That's a Phillips. Okay. So there you go, that's the unboxing of it. I will go ahead and look at the instructions and see how to build it. That'll be the second video. Thank you.